So guys, Dave is very serious doing this job. See? Very serious now. Sweet and milk! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to make
Fruit cocktail Graham float.
so fast. Fruit cocktail Graham float. This is requested by my brother. So currently I'm in the Philippines having my holiday. So I'm with my special guest, my son, Dave.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. So,
We have here the fruit cocktail.
huwag mong tanggalin agad. And then,
Then we have here the 2 packs of Graham.
pwedeng tumawa.
We have here the all-purpose cream.
Okay.
Here 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Next we have here 2 cans of creme densada sweetened thick creamer.
Sweet and milk. Go guys, this is so funny. Hi. So first thing that we are going to do is,
We're gonna mix.
okay, we're going to make the cream first. So we are going to put pour the cream sada thick cream inside the bowl. So Dave will gonna do it. Okay, so Kuya, can I have some spoon over there, please? Okay, here guys. So I will just leave this one. I already opened this one. Okay, so, do not use your finger, huh? It is sharp, right? Just put it inside there.
Wow.
Wow. And then, okay, next is the sweetened condensed filled milk. Lasagna! Yeah! Graham float! Ano ka ba? Graham float! So guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to put the cream first at the bottom part of our container. You watch me out, huh? Oh, you put Dave's turn, and then you drink it. Go. Just scattered it. Yeah. One more. One more. Ang dami. Dami nun, kuya.
Kunti lang
Okay,
yan.
budget lang tayo. Okay, then guys, we'll put some Graham biscuit.
Biscuit.
Okay, that is only example. Okay, kuya, go. Lay out it like that one. Go, do it. Ayan. And then, put more.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take.
It's Kuya Dave's cooking book. Oh, faster. Yeah, put it like that. Why is it broken?
I don't know.
So you just find the partner down. Then guys, you just have to cover the biscuit.
Again, it's a
The Graham biscuit, yeah. There you are. Next is... So guys, we're now putting our fruit cocktail. Yes. So you can also use mango or avocado if you wanted to. You spread it out a little bit more. More going there. Wait. Guys, spread. Spread. No, that's enough. That's enough.
I think that's too much cream.
Okay, put more biscuit again, guys. So just do the same thing. So it's up to you on what you prefer. If you want more and more, how thick you want, so then you just keep on doing the same process. So guys, this is the final layer of our fruit cocktail Graham float. So what we're going to do now is to put some crushed Grahams on top. There. So hi guys, so we're already done. So Dave is done doing the fruit cocktail Graham float. So for now, we are going to put it in the fridge, and then anytime soon, it's ready to eat. Put it in slowly.